Good evening, children.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. All right, so today you're going to take up a test. You can see the first question on your screen. Take a picture of all the questions, children. 20 minutes time. Take a picture of the first one. Or let me do one thing. 1 minute, 1 minute. Let me do one thing. Oh, it's better you take a picture. Sorry. Yeah, this is your first question, children. Take a picture. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Yeah, this is the second one. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Third one.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, and this is the fourth one. That's all. All of you got the questions? 4 questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Class? Yeah. Please, Neha and Dharini are responding. What about Raja Rajeshwari, Sashmeen, Ram, Ananya? Got the questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Very nice. Start working. Okay, I'll come back in 10 minutes and check your progress. Please work. When I started the meeting, Kanishka was not there. Tarun, Murali, Shreyas. So you don't have the questions, right? What are you guys doing?
Ma'am, I finished the first question and answer.
I was doing the first one.
You just joined, Kanishka and Tarun?
I was also.
Tarun?
20 minutes, ma'am, I think.
Oh my God. See, that's the problem. I already gave 4 questions. You called me. Texted me at least. See. This is the second question. Take a picture. This is the second question.
Yes, ma'am.
This is the third question.
Yes, ma'am.
And this is the fourth one. Yeah, so I'd given these 4 questions as a test at the beginning of today's class and put the others were joined, earlier. They're all working the same. I'm so sorry. Yeah, now start working, children. Tarun, Shreyas, and Kanishka, please start working.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Children, I'll just unshare my screen for some time.
Ma'am, can I get the second question for a moment?
Only the second one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, this is the second one. You have the others, third and fourth?
Yes, ma'am. I've taken pictures of those. Thank you.
All right. Ananya, what is your status? How many sums have you finished?
I did the first and the second. I left the third, but I'm almost going to finish the fourth one.
Very good. Okay. What about Harini and Sneha?
Ma'am, we didn't do the first sum, ma'am. We are going to finish. We finished second and third. Are going to finish.
Okay, fine. Kanishka, you've just started. Have you finished the first one, Kanishka?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Which one are you working now? The second one?
Second one, ma'am.
Okay. Raja Rajeshwari, update on your status.
First 3 sums completed, ma'am. Doing last sum.
Okay, fine. Ram, I can't hear you, ma. No, you're saying something, but it's not audible. Okay, please check and answer. Sashmi, Sashmin, how many sums have you completed? Ma'am, second finished. Okay. You finished the first one also, Sashmi? You finished the first one and you finished the second one, is it? 1 and 2? All right, very good. Shreyas? Tarun?
Ma'am, I have finished the first and second one, and I'm working on the third one.
Good. Tarun?
First one completed, ma'am. I'm working on the second one.
Okay. Completes, I've unshared my screen as I told you. Whoever completes, please let me know. Ananya, you were on the verge of completion. Finished?
No, ma'am, I still have the third sum to do.
Okay, fine. Whoever finishes all the 4 sums, please let me know. Okay, Kanishka, what's the answer for the first one? Kanishka, you said you finished the first one. What's your answer? Tarun?
Yes, ma'am. 1, ma'am.
1. Okay.
Oh, wait, wait.
Ma'am, 1 minute when I left the answer halfway. I didn't find the value of the A63.
And A63 is equal to 1.
Tarun, you got 1, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Others? Ananya? Harini, Sneha?
Yes, ma'am, I got 1 too.
Ma'am, I also can get ones.
Ma'am, I didn't do the first sum, ma'am.
Rajarajeshwari?
I too got 1, ma'am.
Okay, see, children, all of you can answer. I don't have to invite you to answer. All of you. Ram, Sashmin, Shreyas. Okay. So 1 is the correct answer. The 63rd term is 1. Very good. All those who got it right, very good. The 63rd term is 1. What is the value of D?
1 by
1 by
63.
By 60.
1 by 63. What is the value of A?
1 by
1 by
63.
63.
1 by 63. Very good. A is 1 by 63. D is also 1 by 63. And the 63rd term, the value of the 63rd term is 1. A 63 is 1. Very good. Yeah, what's the answer for the second one?
N square.
N squared?
Ma'am. Ma'am, it's
Uh,
100
3.
80 something.
Ma'am, I got 3, ma'am.
I got 3.
Ma'am,
Rajeshwari and Ananya have got 3, is it?
Yes.
I also got 3, ma'am.
Kanishka has also got 3. Okay. Others? Tarun, you said something? Tarun or Shreyas, I don't know.
Ma'am, which sum, ma'am? Second one.
No, see, okay, now tell me, read the question. Which is your second question? What's your second question, Tarun?
If the first term of an AP is 100 and sum of first 6 terms is 5 times the sum of the next 6 terms, ma'am, find the AP.
Okay, that is your second question. I said, no. I'm talking about, tell me the answer to this question. Find the sum of the two middle terms of the AP, minus 4 by 3, minus 1, minus 2 by 3, so on up to 4. You're working that, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so Kanishka, Ananya, and Rajeshwari have got 3. So we'll wait to, know if that is the right answer or not. The others are working. Who's finished?
Ma'am,
all the
I
four?
got,
Yeah, Harni?
ma'am, I got 9, ma'am.
You got 9? Okay. Maybe you're right. We'll wait. Anybody has finished all the 4?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
very good. Yeah,
I'm also finished now.
very good.
Completed, ma'am.
All right. Yeah.
Completed.
All right. Now I'll share my screen. Yeah, before that, we'll just see the answers. 1 and 2 we discussed. The answer to the first one, that is, if the 7th term is 1 by 9 and the 9th term is 1 by 7, the 63rd term is 1. D is 1 by 63, A is also 1 by 63, and the 63rd term is 1. The next question, find the sum of the 2 middle terms. Find the sum of the 2 middle terms. Kanishka, which are the 2 middle terms?
9 and 10, ma'am.
9th and the 10th term, correct. The 9th and the 10th term. And the sum of the 9th and 10th term is 3. Very good. I think Raja Rajeshwari, Ananya and Kanishka said this answer. You're all right. 3. Others? Got 3?
I'm 3 only.
Ma'am, I didn't complete it fully, ma'am. I got up to 9, ma'am. I didn't do for 10 and then get the sum.
Okay, no problem. Fine. I'll show you the answer. You can, evaluate if you could have completed it or not. Okay. Yeah. Then the next one. If the first term of an AP is 100 and the sum of the first 6 terms is 5 times the sum of the next 6 terms, find the AP. Yeah. Not find the AP. What is the question? If the
Find the common difference, ma'am.
Find the common difference. If the first term of an AP is, it's find the common difference. Not find the AP. Sorry, it's find the common difference, children. By mistake.
Find the AP, ma'am.
Sorry?
When I copied the question, it was find the AP.
No, it's find the AP only. I'm sorry, it's find the common difference of the AP. So sorry. Okay, but you found the AP, is it? That's fine. But it's only to find the common difference. If you found the AP, that's fine.
Yeah.
Okay, it's actually just find the common difference. Okay, find the AP, whatever. No, I have. Okay, here I've written find the AP, but in the answer I've worked only the common difference. There the question is different. I don't know why I've typed like this. Okay, I'm sorry. You can also find the AP. Anyways, you'll have to find the common difference and then find the AP. Yes. So what's the common difference, children? What have you got?
Minus 1,200.
Minus.
Ananya, common difference is?
Minus 1,200.
Minus 1,200. Okay. Kanishka?
Ma'am, I got minus 10.
Minus 10. Then others?
Ma'am,
Share your
minus
answer,
10.
both of you. Kanishka and Ananya, share your answer on WhatsApp.
Ma'am, I too got minus 10, ma'am.
Rajeshwari.
Ma'am,
All right, please.
10, ma'am.
Who's that?
Sneha Harini, ma'am.
Okay. You also got minus 10, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, I want Ananya and Kanishka to share the pictures. Anybody else got minus 10 or 1,200?
Minus 10.
Minus 10.
Minus 10.
Kanishka, are you sending your answer? Yeah, Shreyas?
Ma'am, is that for third one, ma'am?
The question is, if the first term of an AP is 100 and the sum of the first 6 terms, that question.
Yes, ma'am, but that question is to find the AP only. No,
Okay, find the AP, fine. Okay, to find the AP, we have the first term 100. What is the common difference?
ma'am, I got it as minus.
Yeah, what's the common difference? Kanishka? Where did you go all of a sudden? Yeah, I'm waiting for your picture. I'm waiting for your picture.
Oh, okay, ma'am. 1 minute, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, should we all send the pictures, ma'am?
No, darling. No, darling. Wait. Okay. Late. Just do it fast, Kanishka.
1 minute, ma'am.
Okay. And the fourth one, find SN. What is SN? I think Tarun, you told me earlier. What is SN, Tarun?
Ma'am, n square, ma'am.
N square. Okay.
Ma'am, I got 5 in square, ma'am.
5n square. Okay. Where is the question, Kanishka? And why is your why are you working with a pencil?
Yes, ma'am. I worked in a pencil only, ma'am.
The children are grown up now, so it's your choice.
It was near me, that's why.
But you need to. You should write with a pen, right? You have not written the question
Yes.
also. You have not written the question.
Since I took a screenshot, I didn't write it. I will write it now.
All right, fine. Now I'll share my screen. Yeah, the common difference is minus 10 children. Minus 10 is a common difference. Yeah. So yeah, you look at the answer. Those who have not got the answer, please go through and ask me where you don't understand. No, I'm sure you'll understand. There's nothing difficult about this. So maybe some calculation mistake or something.
Where did I go wrong in the third one? Ma'am?
Yeah. I'll just see that when we come there. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
I just need to have that answer. I don't know the condition, no? So I need to see the question I meant. Yeah, those who have not got the first answer, take a screenshot and complete it later. If you have worked it and left it half the way because you were not able to proceed, see where what went wrong or what did not occur to you. Get your doubts clarified. Simple, we get two equations in A and D, solve, get the values of A and D, and find the 63rd term. That's it. All right. Yeah, next one. So here we'll have to first find the number of terms of the AP. So AN, the last term, 4 1 by 3 will tell us how many terms are there in the AP. Okay, so we'll have to work AN is equal to 13 by 3 and we get N is equal to 18. It's even. When N is even, that means there are two middle terms. When N is odd, there'll be only one term in the middle. When the value of N is odd, there will be only one term in the middle. When the value of N is even, there will be two terms in the middle. And they are the N by 2th term and the N by 2 plus 1th term. So 18th and the 19th, the 9th and the 10th term, 18 by 2, 9th term, 18 by 2 plus 1, 9 plus 1, 10th term. So the required sum is, we need to find the sum of the two middle terms. So the required sum is A9 plus A10. You can find A9 separately, A10 separately and add both also. That's also fine. You can find A9, then find A10 and add the two values. That's fine. So I have worked the required sum is equal to A9 plus A10. Then you can see substitute and it is 3. 9 by 3, which is 3. So nothing difficult with this. Take a picture, children. If you've not got the answer, take a picture. Yeah. Take a picture. All right. Next one. Yeah. So find the common difference. The question is slightly different. The information is the same. I'll change it. Okay, so find the
Ma'am,
common
can you
difference.
show
Which one?
before one second question?
Yeah.
That's all, Arina, ma'am.
No. See here, the answer continues here. Don't look at the question. That's a different question. You have the question with you. This is the answer. It starts here and ends here. All right?
Yes, ma'am.
See, this is the first slide. The question is there. Find the sum of the two middle terms of the AP. The slide and the slide. Ignore the question above. Yeah. All right. So find the common difference of an AP whose first term is 100 and the sum of whose first 6 terms is 5 times the sum of the next 6 terms. So I've worked it in two ways for you. A is 100. The first term is 100, which means A is 100. Sum of the first 6 terms. That means, okay, I've written that here. Sum of the first 6 terms is equal to 5 times the sum of the next 6 terms. 5 times sum of the next 6 terms. I've written it in words. Sum of the first 6 terms is equal to 5 times the sum of the next 6 terms. Now, what is the sum of the first 6 terms? A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 plus A5 plus A6. Next 6 terms, A7, A8, A9, because first 6 terms, next 6 terms. So from 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, next 6 terms. 5 times, so 5 outside. So how do you find the sum of these 6 terms? Formula. N by 2 of the first term plus the last term. N by 2, first 6 terms, no? So you can use the formula N by 2 of the first term plus the last term. So N by 2, 6 by 2 of the first term A1 plus the last term A6. And here this 5 as it is. And here we are, the first term is A7 and the last term is A12. So N by 2, N by 2. See, this 5 is this 5 children. N by 2, 6 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 terms, not 12. Not 12. You're finding the sum of 6 terms. So 6 by 2 of the first term A7 plus the last term A12. That's it. Once you write this one, you know, the rest is easy. 3 into A1. A1 is nothing but A. A6 is A plus 5D. And then 6 by 2 is 3. A7 is A plus 6D. A12 is A plus 11D. And then you work that, and what did I do? A and A is 2A, and this is 17D. 2A plus 17D. I've cancelled the 3 on both the sides. There's 3 here, no? It's multiplication only. It's 5 into 3 into this. It's all in multiplication. It's 5 into 3 into this. It's in multiplication, so you can cancel the 3 on both the sides. So 2A plus 5D is equal to, simplify this, so 2A 17D, 5 times 2A 17D. So on working that, you will get D is equal to minus 10. And if the question is find the AP, yeah, the first term is 100, D is minus 10. So the AP is 190. Sorry, and so on. And here it is, here sum of the first 6 terms is equal to 5 times the sum of the next 6 terms. So first 6 terms is S6. Next 6 terms, how will you express this sum from A7 to A12? It is the sum of the first 12 terms minus the sum of the first 6 terms. See, what is S12? I'll work it, I'll write it here for you. What is it? What is S12? S12 is A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 plus A5 plus A6 plus A7 plus A8 plus A9 plus A10 plus A11 plus A12. This is S12. This is S12. And what is S6? It's A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 plus A5 plus A6. Then what will be S12 minus S6? S12 minus S6. So when you subtract, you'll have to change the signs, change the signs, change the signs, change the signs, change the sign like this. S12 minus S6 is equal to, so cancels, cancels, cancels. So you'll be left with A7 plus A8 plus A9 plus A10 plus A11 plus A12. Am I clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
You can make a note of this if you want. I'll just give you some time. Okay, we'll come back to this. So sum of the next 6 terms is nothing but S12 minus S6. Sum of the first 6, see, this is the condition. I've written the condition again. Condition. Then sum of the first 6 terms is nothing but S6, or can be written as S6. Sum of the next 6 terms is S12 minus S6. Sum of the first 12 terms minus the sum of the first 6 terms. Sum of the first 12 terms minus the sum of the first 6 terms will give you the sum of the next 6 terms. 5, this 5 as it is. So again, S6 is equal to multiply 5 into S12, 5 into S6, and then you can bring this S6 here, so it will become 6, this one here. So it will become 6 times S6 is equal to 5 times S12. Just open the bracket, multiply, open the bracket, and then this is S6, this is also S6, so bring it to this side. S6 plus 5 S6, 6 times S6 is equal to 5 times S12. Now the formula, the 6 as it is. S6 is n by 2. See, 6 as it is. S6 means 6 by 2 of 2A, 100, plus 6 minus 1 into D. And this 5 here, S12 means n by 2, 12 by 2 of 2A, 100, plus 12 minus 1 into D. On working this, you will find the value of D, 10. D minus 10. You can write this again here. This step, you can put this step again here. You can put this step again here. So let me write that. A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 plus A5. No, children, be very clumsy. Please write the same step here. Take a screenshot like this. Write the step here and then work like this. So D is minus 10. Take a picture. Yeah, now, Ananya, were you able to make out your mistake, Ananya?
Mom, no, mom.
No?
No, mom.
Okay, I'll check. N by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 b is equal to 5 times. You want it like this. Take a picture, children. This one and this one also. Ananya, have you multiplied 15 with 12D and 5D?
Which 15, mom?
Yeah, I'll read out that for you. 600 plus 15D is equal to 15 into, sorry, the step before 2D plus 2500 is equal to 0.
I haven't multiplied 15 into 12. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, 15 into 12 and 15 into 5 you have not done.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
I'll correct it now. Thank you.
Yeah. Yes, children. Yeah, please ask me. Shall I explain again? First, take a picture. I think you're done. This one also is over. Let me discuss the next answer and come back to this. Yeah. What is SN, children, here? Somebody said n square and yes, what is SN?
Mom, I got as 5n square.
5n square. Then other answers. Fast.
2n minus n square.
2n minus n square. Okay, then others. Kanishka, Tarun, Shreyas, Ashmin.
N square.
N square. Ram.
Ma'am, I got 2n minus n square now.
Okay, 2n minus n square. 2n, Rajeshwari, 2n minus?
N square, ma'am.
N square, 2n minus n square. N square. What's your answer, Ram? Now, recently, Ram, you've become very quiet. You're not, sharing your answers. What happened? Okay, the correct answer is, I think, 2n. Yeah, 2n minus n square. This is the correct answer. How many of you got 2n minus n square? Ananya. Then?
I too got, ma'am.
Rajeshwari. Who else? 2n minus n square. Okay. Yeah, so this is the first equation. S10 is equal to minus 80. The sum of the first 10 terms is minus 80. So that means S10 is equal to minus 80. Formula n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d is minus 80. You get an equation in A and D. Then the sum of the next 10 terms is given minus 280. So we know that the sum of the first 10 terms plus the sum of the next 10 terms will give you the sum of the first 20 terms. The sum of the first 10 terms plus the sum of the next 10 terms will give us the sum of the first 20 terms. So you can write this equation. S20 is equal to sum of the first 20 terms is equal to sum of the first 10 terms plus the sum of the next 10 terms. So S20 is equal to minus 80 plus minus 280. Substitute the values. First 10 terms is minus 80. Next 10 terms is minus 280. So you get S20 is equal to minus 360. So that'll give you the second equation. S20 is equal to minus 360 means 20 by 2. 2a plus n minus 1 into d is minus 360. So you get another equation. Solve the two equations to find the values of d and a, or a and d, and then find Sn. How do you find Sn? Use the formula. But in place of n, it's going to be n only. You'll have to substitute only for a and d. Because Sn, n is n. You'll have to substitute for a and d. And even I got 2n minus n square. Even I got the same answer, 2n minus n square. Yeah, take a picture, children. This is the first slide. Sorry, this is the first slide. So how else can we work? Some of the next 10 terms. Some of the next 10 terms. That is, sum of the next 10 terms is equal to minus 280. That means A10, A11 plus A12 plus A13, so on, plus so on till A20 is equal to minus 280. You can also construct the equation like this. So n by 2, 10 by 2, because only 10 terms are added here. 10 by 2 of 2a. 2a is A11 here. 2a is the A11 is the first term in this sum. 2a plus n minus 1, 10 minus 1 into d. D is d. 10 by 2, because only 10 terms you're adding of 2a. 2 into the 11th term plus 10 minus 1 into d is equal to minus 280. So 5 into 2 of a plus 10d plus 9d is equal to minus 280. The 5 comes for division here. On opening the bracket, you get 2a plus 20d plus 9d is equal to 5 comes for division. So minus 5 5s are 25, 3 remains, 6 are 30. So the second equation is 2a plus 29d is equal to minus 56. You can also do it like this. This is a different equation, but you'll get the same values for a and d. You can also do it like this. So shown both the workings. Yes, children. Yeah, any clarifications with this one? Okay, see, ask me in the next class. Don't forget, work this. If you have any doubts, or you don't have a doubt, but you're not clear, you don't know what doubt to ask, but somehow it's not clear to you, I'll explain it again in the next class. Now work this one. This is your next question. On top.
For the fourth sum, I understood what I did wrong, ma'am.
Very good. Fourth one, that is this one, minus 8. This one, right, Sneha?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine, very good. Children, yeah, right on top you see the next question. Quickly
The
tell me the
eighth
value of
one?
k. Sorry?
The eighth one we have to do.
Yes, Ma. Yeah, what you see on the screen now. Correct. That's the next question. If k
Okay.
square plus 4k plus 8, 2k square plus 3k plus 6, and that question. Find k. Quick, quick. Yeah, what's the value of k? What's the value of k?
Ma'am, is k is equal to 0?
0? Okay. Yeah, read out your steps, Kanishka. What is the, how did you get the equation?
Ma'am, since it is an AP, so the common difference would be the same. So A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2, ma'am.
Very good. Okay, let me work it quickly and see. So 2k square plus 3k plus 6 minus k square plus 4k plus 8 is equal to 3k square plus 4k plus 4 minus 2k square plus 3k plus 3k plus 6.
Ma'am, it is plus 6, ma'am. 3k plus 6.
Yeah. Where 3k plus 6 minus 6. Oh,
No, ma'am, 2k square.
2 minus 2k square minus 3k minus 6.
No, ma'am, in the front.
No, ma'am, in the first, ma'am, 2k square plus 3k minus 6 you have written, ma'am. It's plus 6.
Yeah. So now it will be k square minus k minus 2 is equal to k square plus k minus 2. K square gets cancelled. So we get minus 2k is equal to 0. K is equal to crazy sum. Okay, k is 0. Yeah. The value of k is 0. Done, children? So as Kanishka said, since the three terms form an AP, the common difference, with the help of the common difference, we should make the equation A2 minus A1 will be equal to A3 minus A2 because both will give you the common difference. Done, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, we'll wind up today's session with this one. Do this. Quickly, let me see who will be the first to give the answer. Common difference. No, it will not take this long. Everyone there?
Yes, ma'am.
Class? Yeah, use the emoji. Raise your hand, class. Tarun, Murali, Kanishka, all of us are there. Kanishka, Ananya, Raja Rajeshwari, Ram, Sushmeen, and Harini, Sneha. Yes. What's happening? Shall I do it?
It's confusing, ma'am. Can you do it?
Yeah, sure. Yeah. So see here, children. So far we have seen Sn, no? So here it is sum to first n terms. So here it is a sum to first p terms. So sum to the first p terms, like sum to the first n terms. Like the sum to the first n terms, here it is a sum to the first p terms. So you write it symbolically like this. Like Sn, it's Sp. Sum of the first p terms of an AP is given by, if it is sum of the first n terms, it will be given by something like 2n minus n square. You got earlier, right? You will get an expression in n, a quadratic expression in n. I've told you, general term is always linear in n. General term, an is a linear expression in n. I've told you this. An will always be a linear expression in n. Sn is always quadratic, is a quadratic expression in n. See, that's what we got earlier, no? See here. Sn, we worked Sn. What did we get? Did I clear that? I think I've cleared that. Sn, we got no 2n minus n square. It was a quadratic expression in n. Sn, we got 2n minus n square. So 2n minus n square. See here, this expression is quadratic in n. Quadratic n square. It's quadratic in n. In n meaning in the unknown or variable n. Okay, let me do this fast. So sum of the first p terms is given by a p square plus b p. Okay, now instead of p we'll use 1, like instead of n we'll say 1 more. So here instead of p, let's find s1. S1 is equal to, wherever there is p, you should use 1, because sp, instead of sp you're finding s1. That means wherever there is p you should use 1. So wherever there is p, you should use 1. So a into 1 square. Now a is a. Wherever there is p, you should use 1 plus b into 1. So what is S1? It is a plus b. Okay, so that means a. S1 means what? The sum to 1 terms. The sum to 1 term is the first term. So that means the first term. Because there's already a, I'll not write a. So first term. Or let me use a capital letter. There's already a there. So I'll use this one to represent, the first term of the AP is a plus b. S1 meaning the sum to 1 term. That is the first term itself. Now let's find S2. S2. That means wherever there is p, you should use 2. A into 2 square plus b into 2. So S2 is equal to 4a plus 2b. Now what is S2? S2 is nothing but a1 plus a2. Sum of the first 2 terms. S2, sum of the first 2 terms, a1 plus a2. S2 is a1 plus a2 is equal to 4a plus 2b. So a1 we already know is a plus b. We know their children. A1 is nothing but a, right? The first term is a plus b plus a2 is equal to 4a plus 2b. So a2 is equal to 4a minus a is 3a, 2b minus b is b. This is a2. Now, how do we find the common difference? Common difference is equal to the second term minus the first term. The second term is 3a plus b minus the first term is a plus b. So the common difference is 3a plus b minus a minus b, which is 2a. That's all. 2a, yeah. Am I clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Sure.
Yes, ma'am.
I've just used a capital letter A. See, we normally write small letter, no, A1, A2, A3 like this. But since we already have the small letter A here, I'm using capital letter A1, A2, second term, A3, third term. All right, children? Okay, no response, but I just assume that you all understood. All right, children. So that's it for today's session. Thank you so much. Good night.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, children. Good night.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Good night.